Peter Krzyzak here, helping you create extraordinary websites with the Flatsome eCommerce theme. As you might have noticed, this is the brand new version of the Flatsome Page Builder. It's still in beta, there's still some issues, but they managed to work out a whole lot of kinks. So let me show you all the great new stuff in the Flatsome Page Builder, the new one, and what issues still are there. The first obvious change is that now the page builder is in the top left-hand corner, right next to the editor where it should be, instead of being on the right side over here. After that, there's some light design changes, which is actually kind of a nice little change. It's easier to see what's going on, but most things have more or less stayed the same. We still have the sections, rows, columns, sliders, and everything else. Biggest part and the best part of this update, I think, is when you go to banners, finally can add an image, but instead of having to figure out what the image is, you can just click select and the media browser finally pops up. I think that's a really great change that they finally made. Not only that, remember how there was a problem of saving these options when we click save and we try to do something and we went back, the options weren't there? Well, now the options finally stay. In my opinion, those are the absolute two biggest changes that they've made so far. Make no mistake, banners aren't the only things that got a nice little fix and update. Anywhere where you have to click edit and add an image and click select, that's where you'll see the media browser now, not just in banners. So that applies to sliders, images, and everything else. Another great update you might have noticed, but maybe not because it went too fast, and that's a good thing, is this thing has been significantly sped up. Look how fast everything finally shows up. You click, boom, it's there. This thing is absolutely awesome. The styles are still built in here, but everything just works so blazing fast, and I love the way they did that. Especially the UX banner grid. As you guys have been watching this stuff, I love the banner grid stuff. So we can just select the style, and then we can just go straight to adding banners, whichever one we want, straight from here. And it's super fast, super easy to use everything now. I'm so glad they got everything done amazingly well this time. As I mentioned, this version isn't perfect as well. What is the issue? Well, it's the same issue as before, that if we click preview, well, it's not gonna show up. But if we click preview twice, this is what we get. Well, we get it showing up properly. So, they didn't fix that one, but that's okay. There's a lot of improvements so far. It's super fast. This is just a very small issue. It's kind of annoying, but that's about it. So enjoy Flatsome Page Builder. It's super awesome now. That's one issue really, and let's hope they keep upgrading it.